Serious question: are you responsible for OT security? If you are one of the few analysts working in an OT security operations center, the answer is easy. But what if you are an engineer, machine operator, contractor, or maintenance specialist? You may most likely be inclined to answer in the negative, but chances are that at some point in time, in some managerial pep talk or in a cyber awareness event, you have been told that you are responsible for OT security. But are you really? Probably not, because technically you are only responsible for what you get paid for, according to your job description or statement of work. Let's assume you still feel responsible because of that awareness training you attended. That leaves you with the following questions. First, what exactly are you supposed to do other than being vigilant? Second, are you qualified to do it? Did you receive any training? Third, when are you supposed to do it? Meaning, how does this task fit into your regular schedule of work? The reality is that most corporations don't have good answers to basic questions like these. They live in the naive assumption that just a good dose of cyber awareness for every employee under the factory roof will keep the hackers at bay. They view OT security as something that can be done on the side by amateurs. Not amateurs in their primary profession, but amateurs in cybersecurity. Similar to IT security, OT security has become a complex subject that requires a lot of expertise and/or training in order to perform. By performance, I mean to systematically reduce cyber risk for a company or reduce cost while maintaining the same level of risk. In other words, I'm not talking about feel-good exercises or security theater. Simply delegating a fuzzy idea of responsibility to employees and contractors and hoping that awareness will do the trick isn't OT security. It's naive security theater. It's also a signal that a company doesn't really know what they're doing and that they're a good candidate for getting hacked. One can actually tell that a company treats OT security seriously if they organize for it. That means that OT security activities are planned, that accountability is established, and that results are audited. Individuals accountable for OT security are assigned specific tasks along with specific deadlines, with sufficient allocated time slots and skill levels to actually perform. If you want to learn how to organize for OT security, check out our simple cyber governance program, which you can download at langner.com/scgp.